Here I have Nokia 220, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do it, firstly we have to unlock our device, then go to the contacts application, tap on this button here, and then go to copy contacts. Then we have to select where from we're gonna copy contacts. So in this video we're gonna copy contacts from SIM to phone storage. So we select SIM here, then select phone. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer. Okay, it could be this one maybe. And then tap on this button to copy them. And now we will have these contacts not only on our SIM card but also on our phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.